Hi, welcome to Richard Gabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to see RF exposure on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X, from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and find the General, then Top. Then in the General, scroll down again and find the Legal and Regulatory, then Top. Then after that, in this part, in the Legal and Regulatory, click the RF exposure. Then after that, in this part, you can now actually see here the RF exposure of your iPhone X. And that's it, we have successfully see RF exposure of iPhone X. If you have a question, can you comment down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.